show you a cheap, easy, most effective way to keep your feet fresh and clean, no smell. This will keep your feet odor free, keeps your skin soft. You can use it on your hands, you could use it on your feet. You could apply this before you go to bed. I prefer if you put it on between your toes, all over your foot before you go to bed. You could use this before you go to work, before you put your socks on. So the way I use it, you just put a little bit here, you could see it, and you could just apply it like this between your toes, and you could put it all over your foot. You could use it everywhere if you want. You don't need that much. Look, I could use this same amount here. You can use it for like probably 3 or 4 days. Could you apply it between your toes? It will keep it will keep him lubricated all day. Olive oil is the best, and you can use it on your own hand. I use it on my own hand. And make sure after this you wear socks to keep the place clean. And that's very much it. This is a short video. This is very much it's a feet odor hack. You can get rid of your feet smell this way. Try it, you won't be disappointed. I've been using this for probably 15 years. Olive oil, the best thing. Thank you for watching.